Perfect. Okay. Awesome. I'm just playing at this point. When I first tried on the WK400, it is a very unique sensation. You feel like you're nice and smooth, you're just rolling along, really efficient, makes you want to feel like you're in constant motion. From toe all the way to heel, it has that constant curve technology. Partnered with that really nice, comfortable EVA midsole, that high energy responsive midsole, lightweight, durable, springy. I feel like I am just moving so quickly. I feel like I'm just like the Flash across the sidewalk. There is a full length plate in here which helps keep that curve and really transition your energy from heel strike to toe very smoothly. You can see that it's got that really nice bike tire, gravel bike inspired bottom. There's a combination of both knurled and directional lugs here. And really what that means is it just gives you a nice grip on any surface. It's something that it's really designed to bite into different surfaces, but also give you that really nice traction if you're on something that's a little looser like a trail. Which then partnered with that really nice engineered mesh, durable upper with a little bit of that TPU overlay for the durability, gives you a really lightweight ride that holds you onto the curve. It also has that nice offset lacing system. And really what that does is just alleviate a little bit of the pressure, doesn't give you any excuse to not wear them for miles and miles and miles. WK400, designed from the ground up with KEEN.CURVE technology, which is all about keeping you in motion, makes you want to get out there and go.